Yeah, sorry, I'm starting in 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, I'm just starting in 1 minute. Huh? Yeah, I'll take from now on. Yeah. Did you people complete the work? Any doubts in the homework? Please tell me if you have any doubts in the homework. I'll share you my screen. Do you people have any doubts in the homework? Please unmute yourself. Can you people hear me? Any doubts in the homework?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Any doubts in the homework?
Sir, only from those three worksheets that you sent, did you send any?
No, no, only those. Today I'll be sending you more. For right now, I sent you only those.
No, sir.
You solved all the questions. Who is that? Lokesha or Ramcharana?
Lokesh, sir.
Lokesh. You did all questions, Lokesh. Very good.
Yes.
You, Ramcharan?
Sir, done. No doubts, sir, but some questions left, sir.
Some questions are left. Please
Graph
complete
questions.
it also. You need to get it clarified from me. No?
Sir?
That's the only. No. Tell me, Ramcharan.
Nothing, sir.
Tell me, Ramcharan.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. No? You, Mrinal, did you complete the work?
Almost done, sir.
Almost done. No, yeah. Please be serious in completing the work. It is difficult to get 5 out of 5, but if you practice, it is very easy and you just follow what I'm speaking in the class, whatever I'm speaking, and do the work that I'm giving.
Sir, can you send the notes of last class and I mean this is 4 classes are done, no? Third class and fourth class, can you send the notes?
Of course, I can send the video, but you need to listen to the video once again. Okay?
No,
After the
notes,
class,
notes.
Notes, it will not be saved. Entire class will be saved. I'll be sending you entire class. Okay?
Why, sir? Notes save cheskotle.
No, I will not save notes because it varies. It will not. It is not like physics or chemistry where we have theory. It is all practical application based. Okay?
అంటే మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వాల్యూ థియరమ్ అవన్నీ నోట్స్ ఉండే కదా సార్ అదే
It is from brain only. No notes or anything else. Whatever.
yes sir, అదే మీరు క్లాస్ లో చెప్పిందే నాకు కావాలి.
I'll send you that video. Please watch it. Huh? But
Okay,
please
sir.
make sure that keep it in your brain, not in the notes. Huh? Why
No,
I don't suggest notes?
అంటే నాకు సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ కూడా ఉంటే బాగుంటుందని.
Not soft copy. You need to have your notes. All of you make your own notes. Whatever I'm explaining, it should be there in your notes. Those math is okay. These formulas and these important theorems. That's it. That should be there in your brain. Chemistry and physics works in a different way. Even physics, you should write in your own way. Only for chemistry, you should have notes. Whatever sir is teaching you. But for other subjects, right? Definitely, you should maintain your own notes. I'm sharing my screen. After the class, I'll send it here. I'll send it in the group. In the group only, I'll share it. You can see that. Please complete the work. Any doubts that you have, most welcome. Immediately, please ask me. I'll be happy to explain you the doubts. But complete all the works on time. Where is this? Okay. 1 second. Okay. Yeah. I'm sharing my screen. Just 1 second. Yeah. Please confirm if you can see my screen. Switch on your videos too. I'm switching on. It is up to you.
Yes, sir.
Switch on your videos here. Okay. So I switched on my video too. And I shared my screen too. Please check it. If you can't see my screen, please let me know. But I shared my screen also. Okay. Now I'll continue the concept. Please listen to the concept that I told you. Mrunal, please tell me what is the formula for derivative of a function at a point C? Ramchan, you also switch it on. Mrunal, you also make sure
Limit
that
h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a by a plus h minus a.
So means H. So what should I write on the left hand side? What should I write on the left hand
F
side?
dash of a
F dash of A. So F dash of A is equal to
limit
h tends to 0
f
f
of
of A plus
a
H,
plus h minus
f of A plus H
minus f of a
hmm,
by a plus h minus a.
so that is H. So this is the derivative of a given function. What is the other way to write? What is the other way that I can write F dash A? Lokesh, what is the other way that I can write? Kunal, what is the other way that I can write F dash A? Limit extends to A, f
Oh,
of
it's
x
for f of x.
minus f of A by x minus A. Please write this. These two are most basic and important. If I want to find f dash x, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is at any point x. This is at a particular point A. These two are the formulas at a particular point A. The derivative of a function at a particular point A, f dash A is given by f of A plus h minus f of A by h or f of x minus f of A by x minus h. These two formulas will give you derivative of a function at a particular point A. This is at any point, general formula. Now, I hope you have written. Now tell me what are the conditions? What are the conditions to, what are the conditions for f dash x to exist? What are the conditions for f dash x to exist? Yeah, tell me, Lokesh, what are the conditions for f dash x to exist?
There should be continuous at the x points at x1.
So first point is very good. The function f of x should be continuous at x is equal to a. Yeah, f dash a to exist. F of x should be continuous at x is equal to a. Very good. Next. Next point. What are the conditions for f dash a for a derivative of a function to exist? Bruno, tell me what are the other conditions? First condition is the function should be definitely continuous. Next. Yeah, open up. The function should not have sharp curves or curves or poles.
Should not have vertical.
It should not have vertical tangents. I'll explain each and every term what I meant. It should not have any vertical tangents. Next, left hand derivative limit h tends to 0 minus f of a plus h minus a by h. We did one question in the last class. I said f dash 2 does not exist. The left hand derivative of the function should be equal to the right hand derivative of the function. All these conditions should be satisfied. Any condition fails, the function is not differentiable at that particular point. So, most important is for a function to be differentiable, the function should be continuous, should not have any sharp curves or holes, should not have any vertical tangents. The left hand derivative should be equal to the right hand derivative. So, if a function is, I am asking one question, if a function is continuous, is it differentiable? If a function is continuous, is it differentiable?
Not always.
Not always. Continuous does not imply differentiable. Can be or cannot be. If a function is differentiable, is it continuous?
Yes, sir.
It should be 100%. Then only function is continuous. So if a function is differentiable, it is 100% it is continuous. If a function is non-differentiable, If a function is non-differentiable, then the function is non-continuous. Is this statement correct or wrong?
False, sir.
False.
Not always.
Not always. Function can be continuous or not continuous. So, but these two are important for us, and these four are most important. Student does not know when does the derivative of a function exist, but they go on doing many formulas. They know many extremely good formulas. No use. So this is a basic that a function should be continuous at x is equal to a, should not have any sharp curves or curves, should not have any vertical tangents. So suppose if I see mod x at x is equal, it has a sharp curve here. The left hand derivative or the left hand derivative of this function is -1. The right hand derivative of this function is +1. The left hand derivative is not equal to the right hand derivative. Since left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative, clearly the function is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. All four conditions should be satisfied for the derivative of function should exist. Any of this function fails. Suppose if I take x power 2 by 3 function. If you take x power 2 by 3, clearly this is a vertical no, graph will be like this. Sorry, yeah, I'm drawing again. If you draw x power 2 by 3 function, it will be like this. So clearly y-axis is derivative of the function at x is equal to 0. So the vertical tangent, any function which has vertical tangent at that particular point will not have the differential. We cannot derive to that function. So function should be continuous, left hand limit should be equal to the right hand limit, no curves, and no vertical tangents. So now with these basic concepts that we have learned, and I hope you all know the derivatives of all the basic functions. So Fatapat, tell me all the derivatives. Yeah, what is the derivative of x power n? And write in your notes too.
n into
All
x
the
power n minus 1.
And
n
then
into x power n minus 1. What is the derivative of sin x? It's not writing. N
Cos
into
x.
x power n minus 1. What is the derivative of sin x?
Cos x.
Cos x. Derivative of cos x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Derivative of tan x?
Secant square x.
Secant square x. Derivative of cot x?
Minus cosec square x.
Minus cosecant square x. Derivative of secant x?
Secant x tan
secant
x.
x tan
Secant x tan x. Derivative of cosecant x?
Minus
minus
cosecant
cosecant x
x
cot.
tan x. Cot x.
Minus cosecant x cot x. Derivative of a power x?
A power x into
Log e base e or ln a power x ln a, not log a. Derivative of e power ax, pardon me. Derivative of e power ax, a into e power ax. Please write this.
e power x.
Yeah, I'll give you some 30-40 formulas. Every formula should be in your brain, not in your notes or some other notes. It should be in your brain. So first, please write these formulas. Now we'll do for sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, everything. All functions, all the derivatives of all the functions that exist in this world, we'll have it here. Please remember conditions for non-differentiable, and when the function is differentiable, basics we should know. Today I'll send you some basic important questions as per SAT where students don't know concept. They don't know what is f dash a, something they go on speaking, so which is not good. So derivative of, you have written this, can I move on? Please write notes. My notes, if you want, I can send it videos, but please have your notes. Everything should be in your brain. Derivative of e power x is a into e power x. Okay. Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is derivative of ln of x. So derivative of ln of x is 1 by x. Derivative of log x base a is, it can be written as log e base x by
A by
log e
x
base a. So derivative of this is,
a
since this
by
is a
x.
constant, 1 by ln
1
a
by then
x. 1 by x ln a. People make mistakes in this. Derivative of log x base a is 1 upon x ln a. Please write everything that I'm saying here should be there in your notes. Then derivative of sine inverse of x is 1 by root
1
of
by
1,
under root
1 minus x square. Derivative of cos, every formula should be in your brain. Minus
minus
1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse of x,
1 by 1 plus x.
1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse of x, minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of secant inverse of x, 1 by mod x
1 by
into
x into
root of x square minus 1. Please write all at one place. Please write on them in the notes. Derivative of cosecant inverse of x,
minus 1 by x under root x.
minus 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1, mod x.
Sir, for secant inverse x and cosecant inverse x, for secant inverse x, we can write cos inverse 1 by x, then we can differentiate by like that also, no?
Yeah, we can write it off. But in
Rather than
exam, you know,
remembering these two, it's better to remember sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse.
but in exam, you should not waste time. We have only one maximum 2 minutes per question. So don't make any mistakes. The thing which we can remember, we are remembering so many, only 2, 3 more. So remember this 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. Yeah, you can also write what you said is perfect. Then hyperbolic functions,
Sir, we have hyperbolic functions also.
they can give derivative of cosecant hx. You need to know. Okay, please write. If you're done, tell me, I'll move on to the next page.
Done, sir.
Done. Yeah, you need to know derivatives of hyperbolic functions also. Derivative of sine hx is hyperbolic is nothing, e power x minus e power. Okay, no need that now. We'll in sequence and series, I'll go in detail about this. Cos hx is sine hx, not minus sine hx here. Derivative of tan hx is secant square hx. Derivative of cot hx is minus cosecant h square x, cosecant square hx. We write generally secant h square x, h is also part of this. Cosecant h square x, cosecant h is also one term. Write cosecant h square x. Derivative of secant hx is minus, it is minus. For secant, it is minus secant hx into tan hx. Derivative of cosecant hx is minus cosecant hx into cot hx. You have all these formulas in your mind. All the formulas. Secant, tan, con, whatever it is. Good. So next is derivative of sin h inverse of x is 1 upon root of x square plus 1. Derivative of cos h inverse of x is 1 upon root of x square minus 1. Not 1 minus x square, root of x square minus 1. Derivative of tan h inverse of x is 1 upon 1 minus x square. Derivative of cot h inverse of x is 1 upon 1 minus x square. Same formula. It's correct. Tan inverse, cot H inverse has same formula. I'll tell you for secant and cosecant. Please write them. Hyperbolic functions, inverse hyperbolic functions also you should know. You should have aware about.
Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan H
tan
inverse
inverse.
x is 1 by 1 minus x square, no?
1 by 1 minus x square, correct.
Okay.
Tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan H inverse is 1 by 1 minus x square. Cot H inverse is 1 by 1 minus x square. Same formulas, tan inverse, cot inverse. Please write them. Once you are done, tell me, I'll move on to the next page. Okay? Can I go to next page? Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So derivative of secant H inverse of x is minus 1 by x into root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cosecant H inverse minus 1 by x into root of 1 plus x square. This is only the difference. So these are all the basic derivatives of the functions we have. Trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, hyperbolic, inverse hyperbolic, and logarithmic, exponential, basic algebraic functions. That is what we have learned so far. Any formula should be there in your brain. So practice more questions. You will be there. Now, next is there are some basic rules like product rule, quotient rule, power rule, everything I am going to say here. So first rule is derivative of any constant is always zero. Derivative of any algebraic function is n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of constant into a function is constant into derivative of the function. Next is derivative of f of x plus my f of x plus or minus g of x. Derivative of f of x plus or minus g of x is derivative of f of x plus or minus derivative of g of x. Next, derivative of f of x into g of x is equal to f of x into derivative of g of x plus g of x into derivative of f of x. Product rule, chain rule. Now quotient rule. Derivative of f of x by g of x. G of x into derivative of f of x minus f of x into derivative of g of x by g of x whole square. Minimum basics everyone should have in your brain. Please write them. Derivative of constant 0, derivative of exponent is n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of constant times a function is constant into derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x plus or minus g of x is f of derivative of f of x plus or minus derivative of g of x. Derivative of f of x into g of x is f of x into derivative of g of x plus g of x into derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x by g of x is g of x into f dash x minus f of x into g dash of x by f g of x whole square. Last formula, we have something called chain rule. Derivative of f of g of x is f dash of g of x into derivative of g of x, which is g dash of x. It goes on, so on. F dash of g of x into g dash of x. Yeah, if you're done, please tell me. We'll move on and we'll do next part. Everyone should have the basic rules in mind. Okay. Yeah, I'll give some important questions which have come in the recent papers, how they would look like. Let me see how well you understood the concept. So they gave a function f of x. Everyone do this question and you tell me answer. F of x is x square minus 4 for x less than 1. F of x is ax plus b for x greater than or equal to 1. Find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b. Some famous questions will be fixed in mind. Find the values of a and b if the function is differentiable at x is equal to 1. Yeah, please tell me answer fast. If the function is differentiable at x is equal to 1.
A is to B is minus 5.
A is to b is minus 5 is one answer. Everyone just do once and tell me answer.
Yes, sir. A is to B is
B is
minus 5.
minus 5. So this is a recent question that has come in the exam. So I clearly told you left hand derivative should be equal to right hand derivative. Left hand derivative is 2 and the right hand derivative is a. So a should be equal to 2. Put a 2x plus b. Left hand limit should be equal to the right hand limit. So the left hand limit is minus 3. Right hand limit is 2 plus b. 2 plus b is equal to minus 3. Since 2 plus b is minus 3, b should be equal to minus 5. Okay? Yeah. Now, I'll just open the sheet that I gave you few days back. Just I think it's not there here, right? No, it is not here. Just give me some time. So just 1 second. You people have switched off video here, huh? Why I should switch it on here? Just 1 second. Open the PDF that I gave it to you. I'm telling you the page. I can also open here. You did all the questions in this, huh? Some questions you cannot do here. Definitely should have doubts. People are not asking me doubts means it is very clear that I asked you to do up to before derivatives up to BC level. All the questions I asked you to do. Did you people complete all the questions? Can you please open page number 21 at the bottom? You can see 21 page. Or I'll try to open here 21 page.
25 you told, sir.
Yeah, till 25 I told you, 22, 23, because numbering I took a hard copy. Yeah, please open 21 page. 21 page. Tell me answer for the 39th question, page number 29, 21 page. Please tell me answer for that.
Sir, which question?
Sir, in which PDF should we open, sir? Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
Yeah, sorry, I'm not on the call. Yeah, what is
Sir,
the
which question and which?
39th question, Lokesh? 39th. Let f1 be differentiable function such that f of 1 is equal to 2, f dash 1 is equal to 3, f dash 2 equal to -4, g of 1 is equal to 2. So h of x is f of
Sir,
g
which
of x.
PDF?
The PDF that I sent it to you, just 1 second, downloads. Yeah, there you go. This one. In this page number, this one. Please do all these questions. Don't think that you know or you don't know. You need to do. I'll be sending many more questions today. Please complete all the questions. You need to do hundreds and thousands of questions. Even till here, even till here. Sorry. Yeah, I want answer for this question. 39th one. 39th. What is the answer for 39th one?
Is it D, sir?
How did you get a D or any other answer, Manal? How did you get answer? Please tell me.
Chain rule.
Yeah, please tell me first step. Even location and please work. If you don't know, you ask me. But please tell me
H
the
dash of x is equals to f dash of g of x
H
into g
dash
dash
of
of
x is
x.
equal to f dash of g
F
of
G
x
of
dash of
x
g of x plus g dash of x
into
Into
g
Z.
dash of.
Z.
into
Next,
g
So if
dash.
we put 1 here, f dash of g of 1 is
into g
2.
dash of 1. Frequent last model. I'm seeing this model is coming frequently in your exam. So they
ఇది
give
FRQs లో లేకపోతే MCQs?
MCQ. Even
Okay.
they can ask in
F
FRQ.
dash of
Now
2
I'll open FRQs and see. What is f dash of 2?
It's
f
minus
dash
4.
-4 into -3
-4 into g dash of 1 is -3.
3.
Answer is 12.
-3.
So that is the reason 12 is the answer. Okay. Similar questions
12.
only will come in AP. Similar questions. Values will be same. They never give the same question. So, but similar models I'm seeing to come frequently in exam till this 25 page. Every question is solved. Any doubts you have, you please most welcome to get back to me. Now I'll show you how these all theorems I'll come. Implicit differentiation also I'll come. Don't do anything here. This is simply write the equation of tangent line, find the tangent is vertical. Is it possible? You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do this. Okay. For now, keep heading as equation of tangent line. The next concept which you are going to learn is we'll follow the same order of this book. If we can do all these questions with my experience, I'm telling you, definitely you'll get very good score. Very good score. Irrespective of your potential, you'll get good scores. So the next concept is equation of the tangent line.
How many marks will we get for differentiation in the exam?
You can take around 33% of the exam score will come from differentiation. So 33% of 108, almost 37 to 40 marks will come in differentiation, not from basic differentiation. So differentiation, application of differentiation, both together. Even in differentiation, you have many theorems, intermediate value theorem, mean value theorem, goes now. So much will come in differentiation. How to draw f dash x from f of x, all application based. You think what you did in your regular 12th and 11th is formula based. Here it would be completely application based. They'll give you f of x, we need to draw f dash x, we need to draw f double dash x, reverse we need to draw. Completely application based it would be there. We'll see. Very simple. If you understand the basic, it is very simple to solve. Yeah. Next concept is finding the equation of the tangent and the normal lines. So to find the equation of tangent line, the formula is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. And to find the equation of normal line, it is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Only two formulas. This is the equation of the normal line. This is the equation of the tangent line. Just based on this, 3 to 4 marks will come. You might get question on FRQs or at least one MCQ, whatever it is, 3 to 4 marks will come on both equation of the tangent and normal line. Not 100%, most of the times. If you get 3 to 4 marks. Now, let us see and solve question number 3. The slope of the line tangent to the graph of x is equal to, just asking what is the slope of the tangent line means I need to go for dy by dx. Wherever they ask slope of normal line, I need to find minus 1 by dy by dx. Wherever they ask slope of tangent line or the equation of tangent line, this is the formula. Slope of tangent line, this is the formula. Slope of normal line, this is the formula, this is the equation of normal. So now if you see this question, they're just asking what is the slope of the tangent line, means they want to find dy by dx. So 1 upon x square into 2x. So 2 by x. So 2 by e square. So answer is B for Bangalore is answer. Correct, right?
Sir, do they ask length
Yes,
of the
sir.
tangent and length of the normal also?
Yeah, we have, we'll come step by step. Right now, this exercise is only purely on finding equation of tangent and equation of normal lines. Just only purely and based on that. So we'll focus only on that. When it comes to equation of length of the tangent line, length of the normal line, we'll be finding those also. In application of derivatives, we'll find those. Please tell me answer by 18th. All of you should tell fast. What is the equation of the tangent line for the graph of y is equal to x plus cos x at the point 0, 1 is? See the formula that I gave, just blindly use the formula, find dy by dx at this point, this is x1, this is y1.
X minus y equal to minus.
X minus. Oh,
Sir, B, sir. X minus y equal to minus.
x minus y is equal to minus 1 or y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so y minus y1 is equal to derivative of this is y is equal to 1 minus sin x, put 0, slope is 1 into x minus 0. So y minus 1 is equal to x. Use this formula instead of y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to x plus 1 should be the equation of the line, which is B for Bangalore is answer. Please solve all these questions. All these questions should be solved patiently. Don't think I know. Thinking I know is different. Solving and getting answer is different. Please solve all the questions that is mentioned here. Please tell me answer for 16. Find the Diasta slope. 1 second. I'll tell you. I'll give one question. Yeah. Please tell me answer for 32nd question. Answer for 32nd question.
X minus y equal
What Lokesh? X minus
4x minus y equal to 2, sir. C option.
4x minus y is equal to 2. So Lokesh is C. Mrinal and Ramcharan, tell me your answer. Please solve all the questions. You'll get stuck in some questions. You can ask me whenever you get stuck in any question. You need to solve. There are so many questions, and I'll also tell you free response questions. You get free response questions based on equation of normal line and tangent line. And I'll send you more questions on derivatives of different functions and the basic application of derivative of the functions. Tell me the steps that you did, Lokesh. Others also should be fast. When someone is able to do, we should be able to do. They go only x, put in x value and find y value. Y is equal to -1 plus 3 -7 -1 1. So -6. So -1 comma -6. So now y is y minus y1 y plus 6 is equal to do the derivative 3x square plus 6x plus 7.
6x plus
Yeah, when you put x is equal to -1, 4 you'll get, but I want normal slope -1/4 into x plus 1, 4y plus 24 is equal to -x minus 1, x plus 4y, x plus 4y is equal to -25. Answer is E for elephant, but I think he told me B for Bangalore or something.
sir is told C.
Yeah, you might have told C. Please be very careful. The moment you
Yes, sir, I thought it was not that.
yeah, you will think. Do make mistakes. From there, you get answers. But do the
Okay.
things and do every step, every question. Do all the questions till here. Equation of tangent and normal. All the questions till here you should do. They're asking parallel tangent lines means slope should be same. This mean value theorem, so I'll explain. Implicit differentiation is easy. We'll do in the next. Yeah. Now, in the free response questions, okay, they gave this. They gave some questions. Write the equation of the line tangent to the curve at the point -2, 1. Even for this, I think better you need to know implicit differentiation. Okay, that we'll discuss first. So that the point, the curve where the line tangent to the curve is horizontal. So whenever they say horizontal slope is 0, I need to equate dy by dx to 0. They give dy by dx so that show that there's a point P with x coordinate that is the tangent to the curve is horizontal. So equating dy by dx equal to 0 and getting x is equal to 0. First will tell us how to find dy by dx. Later on we'll see. So next keep heading as mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. Oh. Just 1 second. Please complete all the questions. Don't think that you know something. If you think you know something, nothing will come out. So what does the mean value theorem says is, mean value theorem. Take any function f of x. If the function is continuous in the closed interval a comma b and differentiable in open interval a comma b, then there exists a c which belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a, such that f dash is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So what it is saying is at there will be some point c such that this is instantaneous rate of change. Try to understand what is mean value theorem saying. It is instantaneous rate of change. What is this? Average rate of change. So if a function is continuous differentiable, so the instantaneous rate of change is equal to the average rate of change. Both are same. So what does mean value theorem says? Mean value theorem says, please write the way I am telling you everything. Mean value theorem says, if a function f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b, write all the statements slowly and neatly. Mean value theorem says, if a function f of x is continuous in the closed interval a comma b and differentiable in open interval a comma b and differentiable in open interval a comma b, then there exists c that belongs to open interval a comma b, then there exists c which belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Such that f dash is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So, most important, mean value theorem states that, mean value theorem states that at some point c, okay, 1 second here, yeah. At 1 second, something is happening here. Yeah, now no problem. At some point c, Mean value theorem states that there exists a point C one second. Something happened. I think I need to restart this or sorry. Okay, please write something happened here. I'm unable to. I think why it is coming here. I'll check after this. Yeah, what does mean value theorem says? Mean value theorem says that there exists a C such that instantaneous rate of change of the function is equal to average rate of change of the function. There exists a point C such that instantaneous rate of change of C is equal to average rate of change of the function. So means if you want to understand the meaning of it, so you are driving from point A to point B. So you can find average speed. How can you find average speed? Total distance traveled by total time taken. So mean value theorem is stating that there will be some point, definitely one point between A and B such that the speedometer of your car, that is instantaneous speed of your car, speedometer will determine the instantaneous speed of your car. The speedometer of your car shows the value at least once, which is equal to the average speed of the entire journey. That is what the mean value theorem says. Okay. Yeah. So mean value theorem is definitely most important. Mean value theorem. So to understand mean value theorem, again I'll continue about mean value theorem in the next class. But if you are comfortable, please try to solve some questions. But up to here, equation of tangent line and normal lines, and I'm going to send many more questions today itself. Please solve all those questions. Okay. Now we'll solve one question on intermediate value theorem to understand how much you understood. Please see 30th question. Simple. Your function should be continuous, function should be differentiable. Then f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Understand my words, understand the meaning of it. Then look into the question, easily you'll be able to tell me the answer. Try to give me answer for the 13th one. I have some calls there from US clients. If they call me, I will leave. If not, I'll continue. Huh? Yeah. I told them at 6 o'clock. I thought I'll be starting my session at 5 o'clock, but I got stuck. Some other parents will come. They say that they want. They go on speak with me that this AP, this, they go on. I try to avoid to continue something or other. Now to do next question. Function is continuous, then what is integral of 0 to c f dash x? The moment I explain fundamental theorem, you'll be able to do this. Even now you can do, but yeah, please tell me answer for 30th question fast. It should not take so much time. You know, the function is continuous. Definitely x cube minus 3x square is continuous. And definitely all algebraic functions are differentiable. So there is no issue with continuous and differentiable. Directly you can go and apply the formula. So there exists a c. Definitely c between 0 to 3. Such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Brunal, did you complete the answer for 13th question?
Sir, two only.
Two only is Brunal answer. Ramcharan answer, sorry. Brunal, your answer, and Lokesh, your answer too.
Two only.
You got two
Same,
only.
sir.
Same, huh? So you apply the basic f dash of c is equal to which is 3x square. Something like that. Something happened. So 3x square minus 6x is equal to f of b, which is 27 minus 27, which is 0, which is 0. So 3x into x minus 2 is equal to 0. But we clearly learned according to intermediate theorem, C belongs to open interval a comma b. So answer is 2 only. So B for Bangalore is your answer. Very good. If you got an answer, very good. So mean value theorem, there are some questions. Try to solve mean value theorem. Few questions based on the mean value theorem, you will be able to solve. Just a second. Intermediate value theorem already explained in the last class. Ramcharan, tell me what is the intermediate value theorem?
If
Hmm.
f of a is less than k less than f of b, then a is less than c is less than b.
So if a function f of x is continuous in the closed interval a comma b, and if there exists a if
There exists a value between both the function f of a and f of b.
k lies a value between f of a and b, definitely there exists value c which belongs to a comma b such that f of c is equal to k.
Yes.
Correct, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So that is what is our intermediate. So if function is continuous, definitely between a and b, if I have some value of y, then definitely there exists a value of x. That is what it says. Both theorem says x, but here it is saying instantaneous value is equal to the average value, that is mean value theorem says, and intermediate value theorem says f dash f of c, if it lies between f of a and f of b, definitely there exists a value c which belongs to a comma b such that f of c is equal to k. That is your intermediate value theorem. Perfect. So please try to solve mean value theorem and intermediate value theorem questions also. Let me see how many you can do. They gave less questions, very less questions, because students are not at all comfortable with this, but we will be more comfortable, nothing to worry. So please solve up to page number 31 in this sheet. Next class we'll discuss implicit differentiation. It is very easy, just differentiating on both sides. So the functions which you cannot explicit means we cannot express y in terms of x are called implicit functions. So for those functions, we'll differentiate on both sides and find dy by dx, but no problem. Once we do, we start doing these FRQ questions. Then we start going with many applications of f and f dash. How to draw f dash from f, or how to draw f from f dash. Then what is critical function, critical number, everything will be going in detail. So right now, please solve up to intermediate value theorem and mean value theorem questions up to page number 31. Okay, I'll see you on Saturday's class, but I'm going to send you more questions. Please solve all those questions. I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.